Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered what happens to those giant bins of watermelons you see at the supermarket? Well, today, we're going on an incredible journey inside a state-of-the-art watermelon factory to uncover the secrets of how this summertime favorite is transformed into everything from fresh-cut chunks to delicious desserts. Trust me, you won't look at a watermelon the same way again. So, let's get right into it. Our journey begins in the vast, sun-drenched fields where thousands of watermelons are ready for harvest. These aren't just any watermelons. They're carefully selected for peak ripeness, sweetness, and size. Expert farmers walk the fields, thumping each melon to listen for that perfect, deep, hollow sound. Once a melon gets the green light, it's carefully picked and placed onto a conveyor belt that leads directly to a transport truck. This initial sorting in the field is crucial. It's the first quality check in a long line of them, ensuring only the best of the best make it to the factory. The sheer scale of this operation is mind-blowing. We're talking tons and tons of watermelons being harvested every single day during peak season. It's a race against time to get them from the field to the factory while they are at their absolute freshest. Once the trucks arrive at the factory, the real magic begins. The watermelons are gently unloaded onto a massive receiving line. The first stop is the cleaning station. Here, they get a thorough bath. High-powered jets of water spray them from every angle, washing away any dirt, dust, or field residue. After the initial wash, they travel through a sanitizing rinse, which is a food-safe solution that ensures they are perfectly clean and ready for processing. This step is super important for food safety. You can see them glistening under the factory lights as they move along the conveyor, looking like giant green jewels. It's a surprisingly satisfying process to watch, seeing them all lined up and rolling along, ready for the next stage of their transformation. Now, for the part you've been waiting for. How do they get inside? This factory uses a combination of amazing technology and skilled workers. The clean watermelons are fed into a machine that uses high-pressure water jets or precision blades to slice them in half with incredible speed and accuracy. It's like a watermelon ninja in action. The halves then move down another line where workers, with impressive speed, inspect them. They're looking for any imperfections. After this, the real separation happens. The halves are placed onto a special machine that scoops out the bright red flesh from the rind. The precision is amazing. It separates the fruit perfectly, leaving almost nothing behind. The empty rinds are collected and sent off to be composted or used for animal feed, so nothing goes to waste. It's a perfect example of efficiency and sustainability working hand in hand. With the juicy red flesh separated, it's time for dicing. The large chunks of watermelon pulp are transported to the dicing machines. These machines are incredible. They are equipped with a grid of ultra-sharp blades that can cube an entire watermelon half in just a few seconds. The result is a cascade of perfectly uniform watermelon cubes, ready for packaging. But before they get packaged, they go through another quality check. The cubes tumble onto a sorting table where any stray seeds or pieces of rind are removed, either by automated optical sorters that use cameras and air jets, or by the watchful eyes of quality control staff. This ensures that every single piece in your container is perfect, seedless, and ready to eat. The speed is just unbelievable. Thousands of pounds of watermelon are diced and sorted every hour. So what happens to all those perfect cubes? A large portion is packaged as fresh-cut watermelon. The cubes are carefully weighed and dispensed into clear plastic containers. The containers are then sealed with a special film that keeps the watermelon fresh and extends its shelf life. This is called modified atmosphere packaging, where the air inside the container is adjusted to slow down the natural ripening process. After sealing, each package is labeled with a best-by date and other important information before being sent to a massive refrigerated warehouse. From here, they'll be shipped out to grocery stores all over the country. So, the next time you grab a container of pre-cut watermelon, you'll know the incredible process it went through to get to you. It's all about delivering that fresh summer flavor right to your fingertips, any time of the year. But not all the watermelon is destined to be sold as fresh cubes. A significant amount is sent to the juicing department. Here, the watermelon pieces are fed into giant industrial presses. These machines exert immense pressure, squeezing out every last drop of that sweet, hydrating juice. The juice flows through a series of filters to remove any pulp or solids, resulting in a beautifully clear pink liquid. This pure watermelon juice is then flash pasteurized. This process involves heating the juice very quickly to a high temperature and then cooling it down just as fast. This kills any harmful bacteria without affecting the juice's fresh taste or nutritional value. It's a critical step to ensure the juice is safe and has a good shelf life. The aroma in this part of the factory is just incredible. It smells like the essence of summer. Once the juice is pasteurized, it's ready to be bottled. Automated filling lines work with lightning speed. Empty bottles are sterilized, then whisked along a conveyor to the filling station, where nozzles dispense the precise amount of watermelon juice into each one. The bottles are immediately capped, sealed, and labeled. You can see hundreds of bottles being filled and capped every single minute. It's a blur of motion. After labeling, they pass through a final inspection to check for fill levels, cap tightness, and label placement. Then, just like the fresh-cut fruit, the bottled juice is packed into cases and moved to cold storage, waiting to be shipped to a store near you. It's a completely automated and highly efficient system designed to get the freshest juice to consumers as quickly as possible. And we can't forget about the desserts. This factory also makes delicious watermelon sorbet. How cool is that? For this, a portion of the fresh watermelon juice is mixed with a few other simple ingredients, like a bit of natural sweetener, to enhance the flavor. This mixture is then churned in massive industrial ice cream makers. These machines have a freezing core that churns the mixture while it freezes, which is what creates that smooth, creamy texture we all love in sorbet. It prevents large ice crystals from forming, ensuring a perfect consistency every time. The process is carefully monitored for temperature and texture. Once the sorbet reaches the perfect creamy state, it's ready for the final step. The freshly churned sorbet is then dispensed into tubs. An automated system fills each tub with a vibrant pink sorbet, leaving that signature swirl on top. The tubs are immediately lidded and sent on a conveyor belt into a blast freezer. This isn't your ordinary freezer. A blast freezer operates at extremely low temperatures and uses powerful fans to circulate the cold air, freezing the sorbets solid in a very short amount of time. This rapid freezing is key to maintaining the sorbet's smooth texture. After they are frozen solid, the tubs are boxed up and stored in the deep freeze warehouse until they are shipped out. And just like that, a fresh watermelon has been transformed into a refreshing, delicious frozen dessert. From a sun-ripened melon in the field to fresh-cut cubes, pure juice, and creamy sorbet on our store shelves, the journey is absolutely fascinating. It's a beautiful blend of nature, technology, and human ingenuity, all working together to bring us one of summer's greatest treats in so many different forms. I hope you enjoyed this inside look at a modern watermelon factory. It's incredible to see the scale and precision involved in processing this humble fruit. What part of the process surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing factory tours. We'll see you in the next one.